Ye to me for ya demand. Shall you see all this while, I've been advised not to attack any appointee. I've been advised ye to me for ya demand tanas ye to me for say mami attack appointee bia intimate Mathieu ya to me for ya frame you to me for say mami attack appointee bia intimate self to no. But sometimes mumu bi wo ha ho mo chi ni o ma bi apie mo some of us yani abreo some of us yani abreo se wo mie kuro no maya emfa ayi meko ni ade ngu kuro ni mu se wo moaye me mie kuro na don't add pepper to it. Sylvester Adina Mensa Ghana is in back. Papa no CEO no Sylvester Mensa Adina. Me sure said next reshuffle be a baby I do beko. Yes, that man will go. Any attitude bonny bear no. Say ni any grassroots kasa. Na say grassroots ba home so mu pa adwuma mpo. Na vacancy bia mpo ni wa. We bia ekwan bia mpo ni ho na maybe sometime o the bra who the dada nipa no mpo no nko. You humiliate the person, you harass the person. No what's up, you walk them out. Yo, the more you know, yo, more say party no, Sylvester Adina Mensa, Ghana Eximbank CEO. MPP phone when they go Eximbank, and Eximbank one play, or mom go anymore one. MPP for half in a go Eximbank. MPP for half. And it's our party faithfuls bow home say or more pay Juma Kakrampa ye edit home. No nyashi mana when yashi ama wasia ye jai bon for. You harass them. Cassette or mucassette chow mumpua as I pamunu fuse officer on call. Get out. Can you imagine? Now catch your boy na nipa na jiso. Now kay zina ubi na kay eza. A treatment now they must some of the grassroots in ja. Now what they want change.
She said give her director. O fui give her director. And that's some obi na de na be sheho. Entino. Yeah constituency. Yeah branch chairman. Asem we John Mahama president. Here. But me I organize a demonstration against it. Because me pene president Baby a Gihawk isino. Many branch chairman a war or Yajuma or Gihawk. See you ahead in the bar. Are you Kumase? How are we going to win that branch? How are we going to win that branch? Gihawk, me branch chairman, branch, a whole Aveno branch chairman. Ohono Yajuma, he has been there for the past 16 years. Kofi Juma was able to work with our branch chairman. On no problem. If you find anybody or transfer me branch chairman, how are we going to win the seat? Now what's Aquano? Yano, when you do better now, be a Yabeshe. Yabeshe. Ugo, now we are free. Ugo, Masa, Mofamu course on time about you. You are sitting on your comfort zone. Would you don't know? Huh? Can you even stand Aveno? Do you know what happens in Aveno the election day? Who Timimpo? Branch chairman has been there for the past 16 years. Who the new CEO head by? Well, he branch chairman. Yeah, now we are in the phone. More dream got to come. More dream party no. Who's our CEO no? Yeah, they will come for the last year. Me say, if that's not made to Subako, they will choose to lose the seat at Okakwe South, or you that CEO you will leave. make a give up. You will leave. I swear you will leave. You will leave. What do you have? Meanwhile, be on the way back now. My friend. Wow, we are in this delegate. One. Moonshot delegate. See the power I'm controlling here. What da? What da? Who do you see? Can you call Baba? We are corrupt. Mundi agro. Na monje samu ko power nti mu hwe fam fo ye be kam asha fam masa ye be miaw asha fam mo se yatia na ye miaw asha fam mo hwe. This is the power I control. We are this in delegate actual one. Mo hwe the power you flag better. You can't control who numbers. You don't have number. We have the numbers. I can call my people here when they see. I have large numbers of people. I have money, GA blogger. But we will teach you people lesson. Samiba Makola, Sako Munina Musho Bia. Kevin Taylor, talk to your people. Oma neglected boys when you na Muni when you be complaining. Why? I didn't me. Mr. Delegate, we are delegate to actual one. Me, I'm a businessman. I'm subject to disappointment. Me, I take it cool. You see the numbers I control? Delegate, mu delegate ne tie yen ye kicked up to me. Yen ye be tell baby am fa aban nko. Na mo tena ho ye be he. Mo share life way, mo record mo fa. Me ka kire mo andi si mu base say, mo sorry. Mo resource mo manfo. Mo bia mu. So mo ba mo nom so mo ye party fo no mo timi kire so mo ye party fo a. Mo ma mo anko mo ncha nti no obi sa ne mrede ye party adwuma eye mre. Omo say omo mrede ye party adwuma mo ma mo nyamfa so wo ho mesre mo na omo so ye party fo. Wo abusia wo ma wo bi sori a party adwuma na oye. The constituency and I'm a yere. Aza, I'm on for both. Montanase, enye dede. Obisi, are you sure, Masa? Oh, I'm very sure. I won't me try now that we try on try then. Me try on try today. Me try on try on Joshi. Me try on try on Joshi. Me, I almost need me back actually. And yet, in any year, you free. Da. Unim, Musa Chroma, Mumu, a quadrophone doors until Muso be, I don't know. Maza, ya bro, NDC, you are not doing the best. Maybe blame John Mahama. I will blame his ministers and the other people because Munina Muya MPs. More appointees in a young whom campaign platform soda. In whom campaign platform soda. Now, so many appointment. Yakoka is you, Namu di Musika Boa, Sika, and Yenipa Nasoriako Yejuma. A nipa na sorry kwa yeduma adana yeto aba no ubetimi di sika tua nkrofo ka ba one monitor man kwa obekoto aba mu bifofo ntimu hweyi wo mu abobo amoma mo di akonwa no mo nani machi nkyiro mo na mo dani machi ndam me kasa mabetena yetete mo nyina ye dani a mo dani machi ekire nkrofo amanfo tem wase mo party fo sremo Chairman say don't get your national strategy and would be constituencies at least I could build the people. Mon frère MPs, mon ma MPs in fan for 4 more consider at least 4. Just say MP crowd mama almost slaughter no crowd be ko enye adwuma ada na mo gu o manuma ase. Unim say ade na nkwa o sa de man ye de an. Dabio MP no oh mon church edimra yemfa nko enye so obi si o me say many MP na nam Ome chocho dindi akwafe now I'm for MP ni adwuma na ko say MP fra obi ampo finu. What is happening? NDC is a joke. It's a joke. Oga ye mfi entama fi abonti make ko si we wiem me de wiem na mesi no mo yare sa tete kwa asem na a good political party no ye ntraso ye kwa akoto aba mo am ye executives si abebere ko yen ye me yen ye be control monto ma we onye papa we onye yen ye be tunti ye si ahenefo Yeah, they say, wow, we are delegate to one, Mutia delegate to Gua. Yeah, Mena me you see. Delegate Muncho one now, grown in your face. Muncho one, mammy. Now, Mujina so no her power, no answer. Make a power. We control the power. You don't control shit. We are delegate to one, mammy. Monja, what the overflow some make us about her, my lady Monja, Padremo, Moncho, Padremo. Ode Monja, Padremo. Mona mucho heat count. Ucho one and what your heat. Padremo. Ode Monja. She delegate and me control Padremo. Meet me feel comfort zone and me control delegates. Sala me de bayo. Mucho mami Padremo. Na sami basum na opea mo akwasum na muni asum GH blogger asum US blogger asum they say we did pay UK e friend is say can say heat me we feed di me bad no wo de mu be hu squad e beba squad ya build ya do mba mu be twadi samusi mu ade musu be twadi ha wo be pataw wallahi talai. Yeah, you Misumba Pacho, so president. Uba Pacho. You go back. Media. Ha, Omina Bromas. Massa Browasio. Radio station, Omada. Munu Tima ya built a day Bamuswa. Ube Johnny. Kevin Taylor and air class captain. Me assistant class captain, Miss Mube Jan. That fool. Tuma with you. Ubejani ora monya ana ye tumirika muntumirika ye tumirika be shaya ba be chira mo say the control agro no captain season me say adana ye koto aba for president ye be kono wo so mu kito mu fo no mo help padre mo me fie na control millions and then you see your sanga me ma woni o ye ne o madrid se be kamutum because we mu kwakufusu ye fe kwakufusu asare tumi ekutame me nana ene kwamten me nana ene kwamten wonemme me andarete me untimi ndi agro dabi untimi so mumi kwase afa ni yene sa me yemfa machi enkoyija dabi ufa machi yija meyi watu fom enfa ndi o me oduru enso ame ema me kotumu me nyemu muni awo mi ana mo de no me oduru so anu ma ne kotumu me de yenyame sa udi me bone me du bone ti mo de ya ni e control ya utu mu time. The game has changed. Everything has come to on the internet, and we are going to choose the next fiber. My name is Kokufu Zasare. I have my team, and nobody can contest that team. One year, you try to support Eddie Amano. Mo pa mo try to ono nebe the next fiber. Mo try to sensia. Mo who some be able to ka Eddie support two way on the bed the next fiber. And I mean. Nia Kevin Taylor betusunu ono na metusunu ono na samiba betus ono na obi abetusu because ye fan ye papa no so na wo a so ba no this no we nyina na yasa wo mesi wo dreams be ka wo trim wo ya mo hwe mesi ya ni ebe the next fabera ti ya e ye ko enti deda amotena WhatsApp so top down no de ene ka de se mo kuye nyina top down na e ba so yi mo amosi ka mo be wu no mo gusu ti WhatsApp platform so kasa enti mo be kasa mo be set rigging yi se.
Let me say this and repeat it again. Me ni interest bia e obi bia mu. The only interest I have in my content say maybe some questions or politicians or uti reading ho. That is all. Politicians no obi anko for so man tichiro mo say omo be kan kire say ento aba mo mo enti me oba me comment section na obechiro na obechiro ebia wo ye MP8 ebia wo ye MPBB MCBB o chiro boye wejuma. But the most important thing is say before I obenye eduma no enye plate so na e wo no ababeje o ka asem bi kire o ka nsem kire enti eno ho nkomo na ye dini bisa questions. First na youth in that say I think like when I read some of my comment sections, me who say some of the youth are lightening up. In fact, it is good we all embrace that light. Ni enfam pushy. Krokesi mo yes say their development we or district be better than us. And then yes almost started from ABA and they started somewhere. and I want to do some pempens. So we can equally do it. But the process into our back comment section, our better will be just to discourage us and please, with all due respect. Yeah, no, we are trapped. And we content we attack will be integrity. Now, police station, we are addressing issues and asking questions. In this buying no catcher sent in the end to a Banfaman or bar obey Women Development Bank. I'm a member of Tia Grassy so at me and loan, they are starting a Jumana, they are being a Jumama. Yato Banawi, Nipana Winnie, and you expect me to sit down. I shouldn't ask that question. O catcher me see me no near Jumayeno. Oba be creating Juma, ebetimi abwa. Ama Nipami and Sambe Juma Bako. The existing ones no society mobile same job, 3 shifts, 3 people. Na say ato abana wi na me bisa o ka kire me say denti na me bisa. Also about 24-hour economy into me expect say filling stations be able running 24 hours, supermarkets be able running 24 hours in the OT region. Oko Dambai station and adu 2 o'clock na upe fufu dia, you should get it. And he said, you said I shouldn't ask questions. Pantu ne cross from Dambai to the overbank, Pantu ne cross from Kratchi to the other side. No, it's supposed to work 24 hours. And this I go draw 7 p.m. and I see 8. Now say you said I shouldn't ask questions. Please, with all due respect, we don't have any interest. But the political people, now political industry, no, votes on some promises via GD said no nebeti me aboy into the power there. So when we are asking them questions, please, if you don't have any better submission, I will be to your comment section where just read or watch or skip and go. So this is what we also believe we can put our leaders on their toes for them to be able to execute their plans and projects and the vision and for the municipal and as a district and all the name and we will ask. And nobody should say MPP by 8 years then why MPP they be make us or Bobranka and to Abantiano. And once I have to Abadia MPP there we believe say no Bobra. Let's all agree say be MPP and Mobra. So what OT region one create OT region or Mobra my. And that is why we said they should pack themselves na NDC Mbra. And the NDC banners or say Obemaye you can say also be Women Development Bank e dey amaye ma amenomo ye nuanom o mo ye businesses na 9 months ni bi ehunu say bia ya je dan bi oba bi kra district ni mu abi banker what do you want us to say obi otinja se no hwan na ope loan dia ye adwuma mo bie no original capital ho obe free ho ababaji loan kra ko no akronfo anje sika no woninsam sa akronfo anje kra sen Yenina yenum say Bank of Ghana be ma oluna and as Bank of Ghana ebe ma certificate I would be a bank for fra e also nya 400 million Ghana cedis or account mu now buying a budget for us that is one bank now buying a my promise is about obey Women Development Bank now obey budget now budget na 51 million Ghana cedis 51 million Ghana cedis no ask yourself say bank be be create bank bank any bakery. So if you bisa questions please let us understand to the fact say never be that a scam. So far enya existed any day a scam to some of us. Say 24-hour economy say otia bisa me company ebetimi aye adwuma 24 hours. Bafre chinderi enfa Brinas in Quanta company ben a bit may 24 hours in Tia. Yato Abana Mama we. So when we are asking questions, we don't do respect. Mama in bisa questions and why. In any case, we don't want answers from more type a church name or comment section. In Yamu honey answers in free. Answers near more edit to me dash almost answers in here. Oma beji political power there are free and someone. Omani be almost our questions, So when we are asking them, please allow us. You can skip and go. But please and Yamana market canon. For instance, 24-hour economy and I say be free education for example 2016 nana kufado nana we know free SHS near omo free SHS and at least cover the whole nation in the Yamfan say be between the Women Development Bank between 24-hour economy between same job 3 shifts so far a 24-hour economy company benewo uti wonuma pretty 24 hours pasa from MPP time omanya light problem sa pasa krachi omo light engine so sa why na kwako be company be na ho a ebeti magina ye adwuma with that stable electricity. Even though over Krokese Mahanu is a light, no, for the past 2 months, light, very superb, but those areas are more electrical problems. What I say, electricity power no very, very low. Grassy, sebi obi owo grassy kra bonkwa kura no money alopacha no money yi no sani pa no se wa to aba to get a 24-hour economy job to do okọ he say no be anya no but obi wo kwankwa kura wa ko free SHS. And these are questions that when we are asking, allow us to ask because you the power need their moment we and you person be repeating mistakes be in our elections na die new be nkwani here you person be inform us on that. So allow us to ask those questions. Oko fantasia before gateway radio ono oko say kakra Jofrikini poster kakra ka bo 24-hour economy boso ono so ne filling station ebe bo 7 normal pon would you give nuclear fuel back on a war bonache and I say yes bonache about 10 12 normal pon and see I will see a bizarre questions from now when you say yeah me beside those questions because no but I will see me bizarre you say appointees be more join this address and so unumo wu afashe na and see what will trigger the end no we should experience it from the beginning 9 months until we see a start bisa say nyinsen na ya nyem 7 December na say 8 December na say bia obi oni obi ada after 7 December bia ebepem say mahama aye president ni nyina no by this time oje kwan wo nipa mua eba wiase until we see a bisa questions. So when we are asking, we don't need answers from you at the comment section with all due respect. Momo na mabeshe ebo district bia MPB o bia shebo in this mashe ebo dia we want answers to portion na mashe. Where are we going to get those answers? We will ask them normal catchre obi na ntan obi nkoya yi sentiment in sa name na please stop that munja sadie no MP na ye beto abadema no o se meba betwi mu akwan 9 months ni muhu excavator kra grader kra muhu okwan no so nkrof manfo no bisa mo bisa mo network nye ye ba ye be network amamo 9 months ni ye hu ni se obi abaye solve kra wo ho nti maye mbisa ye kan se sen omo ni network omo ni electricity 9 months no mo hu se babi wo ho kra electricity extension omo ya wie akase meter anasa akase omo de power betum keke so 9 months ni ono awato aba no ma onye ma umbisa. Is that what you are telling us? Please, the people will ask, we will ask, and that is why we voted for them. Meka next elections we won't say wa call pressure that also you compel and I say we nya hwe mfiri mu a seat no man be contest bi o de wo ho ba so be contesting kwanda. It means you are ready to face every consequence, every hit be you are ready to face it, and we will ask you questions. You don't have any excuses. Say more person be some questions and as more person busy 24-hour banks and was say yes start to see who say more banks and then obi or no word juma obabi no obenya kwan abeji loan. The youth are ready to establish businesses. That is what we want. Na monjai na ye na mo 80 for